Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 26th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So in the pound dollar, I'm still a big believer that this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is going to go up and make a wave C, which will most likely go up and take out these highs unless it's actually like a running flat. If it is a running flat, then it definitely could turn at one of these lower fib levels, but for now, I'm definitely still looking at this as turning into an uptrend, which I think it is already an uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it's definitely going to be interesting to see how this weekly candle closes today, because right now it looks like a 1, it looks like a 2, it looks like this very easily could go up for a wave 3, 4, and 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move up is very, very impulsive, and it has a nice break of structure, nice Fibonacci bounce. To me, it looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. This looks like an uptrend, like a 1, like a 2. This very easily could be the end of a crescent right here. We got some really big dollar interest rate news coming out next week that we're going to have to make it through. But if this really is the end of a crescent, then I think this could just keep on making higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, there's been a couple times these last few days where it looked like it was going to go down, like yesterday and even the day before. But as of so far, it has not broken structure on the 4 hour time frame and up. So I would definitely be looking for longs right now, at least until it does go down and break structure. If it does go down and break structure, then you could look for shorts, but most likely this move down would be a crescent to this move up. I would expect it to either be an A, B, C, which would look like that, and then continue down maybe next week, or maybe this really is going to be a 1, 2, 3, and it just keeps on making those higher highs and higher lows. Taking it down to that 1 hour time frame, like I said, I personally would be looking for longs at least until we get a significant break of structure on the 4 hour time frame and up. If it goes down very impulsively, if it breaks structure in a big way and holds below structure, then that definitely would turn me into a seller temporarily, even though, because I think that even if it does go down, it should be a crescent to this move up, because this move up is definitely a trend, either a wave A or a wave 1. The next move down is probably going to be a crescent to the uptrend, which should be a wave 2 or a wave B. Now you have to keep in mind, if this really is a turn on the weekly time frame, then it is not even going to make that big move to the downside, but instead it's more likely to just make more higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up, which is why I said unless we get a significant break of structure on the 4 hour time frame and up, I am definitely going to trade with the trend and continue to look for longs at the end of every single pullback I see until the trend is proven to be over, which it definitely is not yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.